What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's gonna be last minute Mother's Day gift ideas. I'm coming at you about a week before Mother's Day, so these are great Mother's Day gifts, great gifts for yourself. Those are the best gifts. But I want to share with you two products that are effective, they're affordable, and I love them. They are both from a company called Deva. I've worked with them in the past. I am partnering with them for this video because I love their products, and I've been using their 20% Vitamin C and E Serum for I don't even know how long. But this is the ferulic acid serum. I'm not going to go too much into this because I did do a video on the serum a long time ago, which I will link below, but it's essentially like the SkinCeutical serum, way more affordable and just as effective. So if your mom is wanting to switch up her skincare, or you have a friend who is maybe wanting to try like a vitamin C serum, give this one a try. It's really, really nice. I have a 10% off coupon for this, which is Flower 10. I will link it below if you are interested in products. So I will link that video below for you guys so you can see the results of that. It gives amazing results. Okay, next thing, which I've been loving so much, is their teeth whitening system. So this is what their teeth whitening kit looks like. You get I'm gonna open it up here because I put it all back in there. So you get 3 vials, a LED light, and a mouth tray. I really like this whitening system for 2 reasons. One, you get quick results in 10 minutes, and this actually turns off after 10 minutes. So this has a timer on it. So this is why I love this product so much. I mean, I like it for a lot of reasons, because I felt like after 2 applications, I could see a difference in my teeth. My teeth are already pretty white, but it can lighten up to 7 shades. And what's really cool about this is an automatic shut off. So once you push the button here, it starts the 10-minute timer. You just like hold it up to your mouth, or I actually just place it inside and I hold it there for 10 minutes and it's shut off. So I can't stand any type of teeth whitening product that's like 30 minutes plus, because I like having that on there for that long, because I just feel like it makes my teeth so incredibly sensitive. I have not noticed any sensitivity with this, but I've noticed fast results in 10 minutes, which is awesome. Each vial here contains about 2 applications. I could get 3 out of it just because I didn't really need that much. It comes with a step-by-step instructions, but I got kind of confused. So I will tell you guys this, you have to remove the battery. So when you take the battery out, you have to take this one out and then the one underneath it. I don't know if I'll be able to get it. Let me see if I can get it for you. Oh yeah, there's one underneath here. You have to pop that out as well and then remove the plastic. I didn't know that. I thought like it just didn't work. But you do have to remove the first battery, the second one, pull off the plastic, put the batteries back in, and then you're ready to go for your teeth whitening treatment. Most people notice results in about 2 to 4 treatments, and then you can use the rest as needed. But I found like my teeth are not sensitive. They get really white in a short amount of time, and I freaking love the timer. I love it. 20% off coupon for this product, which I will link below. It's about $12 off, but you also get free shipping worldwide, which is awesome. I love working with this company. They're super easy and really, really nice people. So I will put both links to those products below. If you have any questions, let me know, but both of them are effective and I think great Mother's Day gifts, but also great gifts for yourself. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you next time. Bye.